ವಯಸ್ಸು 16ನೇ ವಯಸ್ಸು. And the very first word I used in MT Kappali, Brahmashi Patriji, the enlightened master, always advised everyone to share their experiences with others, because he believed that every experience has some message for all. So I would like to share my experiences during this spiritual journey with all my 7 masters. That is how I started my book. So this is how it started. But as I said, you don't have to talk all the craziest things in the world. It is personal, purely personal. But you can share something. Because for somebody who is a beginner,
you can share.
You can always get a
glimpses,
benchmark. See, there is always a benchmark. See, even in first standard, you have to meditate. For a PhD also, you have to meditate. You cannot say, I have taken already PhD, I won't meditate. No, sorry. ವೇದಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರೂ ABCDಲು ಅಂದರೆ ಘನಪಾಠಿ ಜಟಾಪಾಠಿನೂ ಅವನೇ ವೇದಗಳು ಚಾಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ 1ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸು PhD ಇಲ್ಲವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಯಿತಾ. ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್, PhD meditation. At different level you may be doing, but you cannot take away, even though it is a physical manifestation or whatever it is, you need to bring that discipline. I am seeing a lot of people here, about 50 people are here. I can see even by their physical irritations, even the physical irritation, dharana we call it, that itself is manifested in mental irritation. You got it? They should bring that stability within. Like Paramatma statue alladata. Like that, you need to bring the stability in the body. The first 16 years maybe the 1 year that Mahesh Yogi, that's what I was just being mechanical. No spiritual experience, nothing. I used to watch, I used to do even the time piece, it put alarm. I thought, no, it's a 16 years, is a teenager. But everybody used to call me, I am mad. ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಇವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರು ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ. But since a lot of problems I had in terms of mental makeup and health, I took it as a challenge, I did it. A turning point. Then suddenly I wrote to not to pass and learn first class, it's a turning point. Okay. So that's the greatest experience. And then I moved on to Ramakrishna Ashram. Ramakrishna Ashram is it's a modeling. Ramakrishna Ashram is a modeling. You don't really do, at 16, 17, you don't really do meditation. You just watch others, what they are doing. You read books. Don't stop till the goal is reached. A ship without a rudder, a man without a goal or sail. All these things makes you motivated. So there was no spiritual experience for me. But when I moved on, Sharda Devi ಕೂತಿದ್ರು ಅನ್ನೋದೊಂದಿದೆ, ಈಗಲೂ ಮಂಟಪ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ PUC ಓದಿದ್ದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. But I didn't know these are all spiritual things. I just said I should go to a good place and study. And people have written me off. I want to give an answer first. What a challenge I might have done in West Body, in other. Maybe I want to bring a lot of change in myself. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. But the moment I met Sukhabodhananji in 87, then Osho, 10 years is a very long time. Serious meditation. And I just graduated out of your engineering. Just passed out. You are doing all this craziest meditation. Go along with Sukhabodhananda to Bombay, all those places. Wash dishes, you wash urinals. I have washed urinals. I have washed dishes. That is the work I was assigned. I was assigned to wash toilets. I used to do it. Urinals, you inside the urinals also you are supposed to do it. Of course, there will be a brush, and you won't do it with your hands. But that tasks were given for a specific purpose to kill your ego. And there were 15 volunteers who went to Bombay 15 days I was with Subrahmanya and then the Osho experience. Then Osho is a big experience. It's totally a mystical experience. As he said, it cannot be just explained. Then I became a truly runner. I just asked, went on questioning the conventional life, including my parents. They went on saying this fellow is a loose case, mental case. Any atheist or pratheist, Tikla, whatever, I think he is a famous language is Tikla Timaya, like a Tikla Prem, something like that. Horrible fellow, what is this? They are questioning all the things. No, you Nur Jana ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಬೇಡ ಹೋಗೋಣ ನೀನು ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಅವರು ಓಕೆ ಬಟ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ Osho at that time people felt I have done a great blunder ಅಂತ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ಗಂಟೆಗಟ್ಟಲೆ ನಿಂತು ಯಾಕೆ ಇವನೇ ಬೇಕಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಉಯ್ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಉಯ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ from that time until of course, a lot of social message I learned from Satya Sai Baba. Then I met Patriji in 2005. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆಗಿದ್ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಫಿನಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಟಚ್ 2005 onwards. I was ready, always ready. The guru came just to give a finishing touch to me. So he just gave a feel. I don't know, ಅವನು ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. Maybe he knew my readiness. Gave a playground, go play. This is your playground. A lot of skills I have learned over the years. When I use I can only. Maybe even the art of speaking. I spent 15 years just learning how to speak. Spent lakhs of rupees. Went to the best of institution in the world. I didn't know why. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳೋದು you're wasting time. The Swamiji is using you. I was heading a trust executive committee at the age of 30. At the age of 28, very big trust. And everybody said, what is this fellow has brainwashed you? Gone. You are gone. Brainwashed by me. Then I got a guru like Patriji who gave a lot of freedom to us. He never put any condition to do so, nothing. Give a big hand to him, really. It's a great man. Many gurus I've seen. Apart from this, I got Aurobindo, Ramana Maharshi, all those gurus I've seen. Ramdas. I've done in their ashrams for many days. So even I went through the rigorous discipline of Ayyappa for 15 years. First year I did it for 60 days. It's actually a spiritual experience. I did it with lot of awareness. I was toiling my body. I was giving not pain. I was disciplining my body. By giving more and more hard work. 60 kilometers ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸರಿ ಎರುಮಲೆಯಿಂದ ಶಬರಿಮಲೆ. I thought I'm going to die. I said, you only have to take your guard. So maybe that taught me that if you depend on a guy who is above you, ನೀನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರೋ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೂಲಕ. Then you realize that somebody works through you. Not you, you are not doing it. You are only an instrument. So Patriji, use me anta illakagala. It's better to get used by somebody. Right? Then otherwise nobody would have known even Prem Kumar. If you are not given the field, you cannot, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ಕಟ್ಟಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು 10-20 somebody has built it. Somebody will say, go and play your game. No, I want to own a ground. Problem is, I want to own a ground. Go own a ground 20 years. By the time you are old, most of our houses are like that. You build a house through 4, 5, then it becomes more of a security. So you end up having seen. He gave it. So I'm not telling these are all results of meditation. This is somewhere you had the guts to stand for elections. Otherwise, if not, I am not committed to meditation. Just he said, go stand for elections. Why me? Yes, why not you? The same question. Again I asked, why me? Why not you? If you don't stand, who will stand? If the new water comes, old water goes. Let us start seeding, put seeds. I never thought that he was the witness. He filled my nomination form. 7 people contested from Karnataka in 2009 and now 2014 another election has come. In between I stood for assembly also, 2013. Of course it is symbolic competition. We never under illusion that we are going to win. I'm guilty in we knew. But we had the vision that someday these seeds will sprout. Definitely it will sprout. We will continue to do it. Then again he said, release your books in 2012. I was writing articles like him. Vishwanath articles barisidde book madbeku antilli. The name Zero to Hero, how it came? I don't know, out of nowhere it came. Zero ತನದಿಂದ ಹೀರೋ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಲೌಕಿಕದಲ್ಲಿ. ಝೀರೋ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಲೌಕಿಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿಬೇಡ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಲೌಕಿಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೀರೋಯಿಸಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಉಳಿಬೇಡ, ಹೋಗು ವಾಪಸ್ಸು. ಈ Patriji gave me 2 hours to discuss this concept. Soul travels from zero. It comes from zero. You won't become a hero. Achieve that, money, name, fame. Go back. Always think. And even the empty cup ಅಂತ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಬುಕ್ ಹೆಸರು. Zen ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. The Zen book ಅಂತ. And last day, before it goes to printing, 3 days, there was a story. First time I was ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. And a story of a professor who goes meet a Zen master and meet ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. He is equally of ego is. Then he pours the tea for him. ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. It became over, spill ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. He said, full ಆಯ್ತು. ಹೌದಪ್ಪ, ಇದೇ ಥರ ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಡ್ಡು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. It is full with knowledge. Please empty it and come. Please empty your cup. Here the empty cup represents the empty. Then I said, why not empty cup? Got it? So, these are all, what is else? What is not? What is, there's done a miracle. This is a miracle. At that place where we had a small place, of course, ಅದು ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಓನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. But so a lot of people were telling, you are losing about 75,000 every year in terms of rents. So for 15 years I can calculate how much I have lost. But I never thought that I have lost. It's the heart of the city. 10 lakhs, sir, easy. But I have got friends worth crores. It's priceless. Okay. We have conducted thousands of meetings, Manthan, lot of journey. And whatever you are seeing me is a result of that. ತಿಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ ಅವರು ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವತ್ತು 10 ವರ್ಷದ ಹಿಂದೆ Zen ಅಲ್ಲಿ I think even I see a lot of transformation in him. Okay. I don't see the same Timmaya what I used to. Okay. And I have changed. I don't know how I have changed. I think he is the best person to write a book, not me. I have told 100 times to him. He is the best person to write a book. I don't know what happened. ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಒಂದು ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋವಾಗಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ನಾನು ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಕೂತಿರೋರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ಲಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ. ಲೈಕ್ ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಜತ್ತಿ, ಪತ್ರಿಜಿ, ತಿಮ್ಮಯ್ಯನವರು, ಇವರು, ಜಯಂತು, ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಶ್ವನಾಥ್. I mean, I'm telling people whom you know. Jai Simha. I don't even feel hundreds it goes to Leela Devi, R. Prasad, the name, Beli Mata Swamiji. What they speak to me and others, no, that itself is satsang. Maybe gross people ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಅದನ್ನೇನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. No, this is an experience. That's why I'm telling you, you have to be sensitive enough to see that there will be an experience every day. There will be a miracle. But the problem is, we don't have that. We have to develop that sensitivity to see the miracles. What is this place? This place came out of blue. Yes. My wife was asking, hey, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, why? Please do something. It's an intention. It's very clear between Devagada Petrol Bunk and Mysore Road because we are all connected here. My son's school, my house, all come here. It's a very strategic part of me. Believe it, this place belongs to whom? My family's orthopedic surgeon, whom I know for 25 years. I didn't know he has a place here. I banged on to this place, I saw the product. I called him. I said, Doctor, how Dr. Ramesh? I am an orthopedic surgeon. Who you sir? So it is an extension of my house. Everything is just rental agreement matra agide. Otherwise he has given total freedom. You are in charge of the whole building. You take care. Even this, he came the first time in the month of September here. It was an empty space. And we created very simple interiors. We didn't want to go very luxurious, very pot looking. We wanted to be more grounded. Then I went to Patriji and asked, what name I should give? Sacred space or empty space? There is an empty space. This name is selected by none other than God. Miracles do happen. ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೇಬಿ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ 2 more minutes. I don't want to call it as a meditation experience, but it's a way of life. If you are sensitive, every minute you will see experiences. You don't search for experiences. Just go with the flow. ನನ್ನ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಷ್ಟು ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾನು you know, at around 3 o'clock or something, if you come, you see the payment problem we have. Whether the money has come, money has to go. You know, just now about 20 minutes back, some boy was standing there. He was thinking, I made cake. You didn't know. So it's totally a multitasking. Not that easy. Not that government has given an endorsement or a pension scheme to me. That I have a security for life. No, I don't have any security. And the beauty is uncertain. We began to him because the beauty is in uncertainty. Why you want certainty? There are certain things are certain. There are certain things are not certain. ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟವಾಗಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಜೀವನ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಅನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ಅನಿರೀಕ್ಷಿತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಸ್ಥಿರತೆಗಳಿಂದ ತುಂಬಿರುತ್ತೆ. Why you give a name ಅಸ್ಥಿರತೆ? It is the way of life. When you accept ಅಸ್ಥಿರತೆ as the way of life, then you don't have any problem. Then ಸ್ಥಿರತೆ ಬಂದಾಗಲೂ ಅಸ್ಥಿರತೆ ಬಂದಾಗಲೂ ಅದೇ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗಲೂ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಏನೂ ನಡೀತು. ನಾನು ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ನಡೀತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಮ್ದು ಒಂಥರ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಬೆಳೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಬರಗಾಲ. ಬರಗಾಲ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮಳೆ ಆಗ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಳೆ ಆಗ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರಗಾಲ. ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಇಟ್. ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ದ ಬೂಮ್, ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ದ ಬಸ್ಟ್. There is meditation, there is boost, boom, lot of corrections are there. Have you heard, have you read The Alchemist? Paul Coelho? ಓದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Alchemist, The Alchemist. Please read ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೂ ಓದಿದೆ. The Alchemist by Paul Coelho. ಎಷ್ಟು ಶಕ್ತಿ ನಮ್ಮೊಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ the power of intention. That's why I'm asking you to go deep into all this. Experience ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. If you are sensitive, it will happen. Okay? And if I go back to 15 years or even more than that, 20 years, even Shashi was there last year. She's much earlier student. I never thought that I should do something for myself. Even now, I should grab things, do something, whack something, make some quick fix, quick money. You know, even till today I didn't get that mind. So many years. And whenever she came to bigger workshops, international things, I have just taken her. Because I had the power to take her. Just took it. So many. I think Prabhakar also came last. It's an experience to be with that But only when you have to be available. Maybe who knows, you will get a pass next time. That kind of thing. Okay? And Ramchandra Guruji sends a pass. Premji, I want you to be on the front. I want you to see how I work. I'm talking about 5 years. Oh, how the power of subconscious mind. He used to come to Zen. Can you imagine? And we are in the same touch. It is also simple. But his model is different. Model is different. So, ನನ್ನ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ತುಂಬ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. What are the benefits? All diseases are healed, memory increases, these are all the fruits. But there are about meditational experiences in the page 130. Okay. Very clearly it says a feeling of lightness in the physical body as if it is non-existent. A feeling of heaviness in the head or any part of the body. It's one of them. One may see colors or more of them. A feeling of mild or severe pain, especially in the lower back region. A whirling sensation from within may be experienced. It is the celebration you are doing. The whole cells are dancing. And people who do, don't worry, it is an experience. Clear and vivid visions may be seen of natural scenery or place of worship or deities or gurus. This is known as third eye vision. Very clearly. Okay. This is us. Very, very subtle level of knowledge. Gross level. But if you go deeper, okay, in the latest book I did it, Kannadadalli. 1 minute I will take, not more than that. ಈ 12 ಅಂಶಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಝೀರೋ ಮೂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್, ಶೂನ್ಯತ್ವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ನಡವಳಿಕೆಗಳು ಅಂತೀವಿ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸಸ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುವಲ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರುವ ಸಂದರ್ಭಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಗಳು ಬಂದ ಹಾಗೆ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು. ಆಗಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೂರ್ಣತ್ವವನ್ನು ನೆನೆದು ನಗುವುದು. ಯು ಸಿ ಸಮ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲಾಫಿಂಗ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ರೀಸನ್. ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ? ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಈ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್ ಹಿಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇನ. Immediately they never own it. Not mine. He gave it. It's his. So, ಇತರರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮಿಳಿತಗೊಂಡ ಭಾವ. I and Sudhindra are not different. I and Timothy is not different. I and this prosperity area is not different. I and Bangalore is not different. I and the world is not different. Everything is same. See, there's no duality, there's oneness. You got it? ಭೂತಕಾಲದ ಎದರಿಕೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದು ತೀರ್ಮಾನವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಭಯವಾಗಿ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಗಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್. ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿಯರ್. ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್. ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸೋದು. ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಈಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಇನ್ನೊಂಥರ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ. ಬಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ, ರಶ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಂತಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಯಾಕೆ ಸೀಟ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಹೋಲ್ ಜರ್ನಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕರ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್. ಓಯ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೇಡ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇವು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ನೇತಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೊರಡೋದು. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ತೀರ್ಥಹಳ್ಳಿ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್. 75% ಸೀಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ಸಡನ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನನಗೂ ನೇತಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಐ ನೆವರ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸಚ್ ಎ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಬಸ್. ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್. ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಅವ್ರ ಪೇಯ್ನು, ಅವ್ರ ಭಾಷೆಗಳು, ಅವರಿದು ಆ ಕೂತಿರೋರು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಓಡಿ ಬಂದ ಹುಡುಗರುಗಳೇ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೌ ಸೆಲ್ಫಿಶ್ ದೇ ಆರ್. ಐ ನೆವರ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸಚ್ ಎ ಫಿಗರ್. ನನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆನೇ ಖಾಲಿ ಆದರೂ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದೆ, ಯಾರು ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಷಣವೂ ಲೋಕ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣದ ಪ್ರಜ್ಞೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವುದು. ಇದು ಆಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಗುಡ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ನೀಡ್ಸ್. 9th, ಇತರರ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸುವುದರಿಂದ ವಿಮುಖವಾಗುವುದು. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್. ಬೇರೆಯವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತೀರ್ಪು ನೀಡುವ ಗುಣಗಳಿಂದ ಮುಕ್ತರಾದ ಭಾವ. ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ದಿಸ್ ವರ್ಡಿಂಗ್, ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಬೇರೆಯವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸುವಲ್ಲಿ ನಿರಾಸಕ್ತಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಟ್ಟುಪಾಡುಗಳಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರೇಮದಿಂದ ಇರುವುದು. I love him in spite of he may differ lot of things with me. No, I don't agree. Still I should be connected. ಶೂನ್ಯದಿಂದಲೇ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಶೂನ್ಯದೆಡೆಗೆ ಶಾಶ್ವತ ಶೂನ್ಯತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಲೆಸಿ. Maybe I have given a synopsis in 15-20 minutes of the lower. ಈಗ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು 6 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿರೋರಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, 20-30 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋರಿಗೆ, ಅದೊಂದು ರಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುವಲ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋರಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ just go back and connect it. Maybe there's a lot of things you will be having. ನಾನು ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಜೊತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಿಳಿತುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬೆರೆತೋಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I sometimes get laughter from nowhere. He is the one who is working through you. Even if you become a chief minister, he has made you a chief minister so you produce result. But even when you become the top, it is his thing. I think I am not a permanent here. I won't go. Entry, exit. Entry, exit. This moment I entered, I exited. Next moment I entered, exit. Entry, exit. Always remember. If you can remember that entry, exit, your life will be super. And that entry, exit, every day you can do it. Patriji ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ರಾತ್ ಗಯಿ to baat gayi. You want to hang on to yesterday's problem. Leave it. I had an argument with him today. Why should I take it tomorrow also? छोड़ो गई. रात गई तो रात गई. Leave it. Thank you.